Today on Mom to Mom, we're going to help you create a fun learning tool for your toddlers. On a budget, no problem. I always love a good toilet paper roll because how often do we go through toilet paper? You can find some really great activities to do with these. And if you've got a toddler learning their shapes, this is the perfect thing. So what you want to do is grab some Sharpies, toilet paper rolls, and a paper towel holder. So what you want to do is take the toilet paper roll and cut it in half. Then you're going to take your Sharpie and draw a shape on there. Once you're done drawing all the shapes that you want, then you're going to cut those in half. So once they're all cut into half, then you hand them to your little toddler and just tell them to match the shapes, and then you can say it with them. So you can say, this is a heart, match the top of the heart. You can say, here's the square, match the square together, and just go through them. They'll have a really good time. I mean, those kids really do love paper boxes, toilet paper rolls. This is a great learning tool. If you have any wonderful ideas, we want to hear about it, and you might see that on the next Mom to Mom.